Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are very happy to see you here, and today we're going to be talking about Cardano and some cool news that coming out, as well all the reasons why I am so insanely bullish on Cardano in the short term, in the long term. So let's jump into the video and let's see what we're talking about. Okay, so there came out some news. Imorgo announces launch of first stablecoin HUSD for Cardano. This news came yesterday on January 25, and the CTO saying at Input Output Hong Kong tweeted that HUSD will be available on the Cardano blockchain once smart contract functionalities are enabled on the mainnet with Plutus. So all they're waiting for is for the smart contract to open up, and they're in. So what does it tell us? Everybody waiting for Gauguin. And just imagine what's going to be happening when Gauguin will be released and will be ready for smart contracts and will be ready for the transitions. This is going to be something crazy. And this is already news coming out even before this is ready. Even before it's been announced. It's just, I can't imagine the news we're going to be receiving as soon as it opens. Ethereum. There's so many projects on Ethereum. The fees are going through the roof. People and projects that getting built on Ethereum. All the DeFi projects that they really want to try to do as user-friendly as much as they can and do a lot of transaction and loan money, and so other people can loan to other people. But the transaction fees, the waiting time is unreal. And I don't know if you know about it, but the few times I took a loan, I didn't need it in a month, I didn't need it in a year. When I needed a loan, I needed it right now, and I didn't want to wait for a couple weeks and plus pay huge fees on it. So they're just telling me that there's going to be so many projects running away from Ethereum to Cardano. There's going to be many projects that start building on Cardano. All the people that waiting with the new project, they're going to all jump to Cardano. And there's the elephant in the room, the Coinbase. Why the hell they still didn't list Cardano? We have top 10 coins, all of them on Coinbase. Why isn't Cardano there? Something fishy going on, but I don't know. But I'm thinking eventually they will do it, and hopefully it will come with confluence with Gauguin. So it's probably going to be happening. Gauguin, they say, in the second quarter of this year. So imagine if we're going to release when Cardano gonna release Gauguin and we're gonna be listed on Coinbase, what's gonna happen to the price? And we've been talking on this channel about Cardano when it was 10 cents, when it was 15, when it was back at 8, and when it was at 20, at 30. But what do you see through all this period of time? In the short term, yes, it's going up, it's going down, but in the long term, we've been on an uptrend. And I believe this is just the beginning, because the most important thing is yet to come. As well, what I believe the comparison between Ethereum and Cardano. So Ethereum is, so by the time they're going to finish their transition to 2.0, they said it's going to take about a year. So maybe it's going to be end of the year, beginning of next year. Maybe it might take longer. Nobody, there's no set date as of right now, and even if there is, nobody guaranteed they won't be late. Maybe Gauguin also will be late. But for people that believe that we are in a bull run right now, and that this bull run might finish end of 2021, and Ethereum 2.0 is not ready yet, what's going to be happening there? And imagine we are in the bull run, right in the middle of the bull run, when Gauguin getting released, where all this crazy good news going to start flooding in, that there's a bunch of projects jumping from Ethereum to Cardano, that there's a bunch of new projects getting built on Cardano because Ethereum is slow and the fees are through the roof. And by the time Ethereum gonna finish the 2.0, maybe we're gonna already be done with the bull run. Maybe we're gonna be starting our bear market at that time. No one knows, but where I'm putting my money on, I'm definitely putting my money on Cardano, because if all these things will come together in this second quarter of this year, and the price, we're going to be seeing price still moving higher by that time, because there's slowly more and more news going to be coming up closer to that point, and people are going to be getting more and more enthusiastic and will be putting their money into it. So I believe that this year is the Cardano year. I believe that percentage-wise return on money, I think that Cardano gonna do much better than Ethereum. And I'm not against Ethereum. I'm holding Ethereum as well. But my allocation is percentage-wise is much heavier on Cardano. Again, because I cannot ignore all the facts that we're seeing and all the amazing news that's going to be coming with Cardano. So now let's take a look at some price action in the short term. So right now we on a daily chart, and we've been trying really hard to kind of fight this resistance area at around the 38 cents, and we could not break it. And now we're back at the resistance that we kind of been finding at around the 35 cents and a little bit lower. And we can see that we've been trying. We tried one day, second day, third day, this day number 4, and we yet to see what's going to be happening. But so far it doesn't look too beautiful, but we will see how this candle closes. If we're going to get this day closed, then we're going to see a very nice hammer candle. So we might see some continuation. But again, I believe that this area is going to be pretty strong at the 37, 38 cents. And I don't know if we'll be able to break it before we're going to be testing some lower prices. And maybe we're still going to have a very nice chances to grab more Cardano at a lower prices. But we will yet to see. So I'm believing more in the long term, and I'm trying to accumulate every time there's some serious drops where I can get it cheaper. So I was getting some Cardano in this area at 28, 29 cents. When I'm gonna have some extra money, I will be looking again, even if we fall to 26, if we're gonna fall to 24, hopefully I'm gonna be looking to grab some more there. Again, I'm more looking towards the long term. Whoever wanna trade it, that's probably not very helpful to you, but whoever looking into holding for long term and just having extra money or just getting in the space, I always believe in 3 or 4 entries. I'm entering 3 times every time I see a big dip, and I always leave for the 4 entry a little bit money on the side in case we get even stronger dip. And if you believe in that we're in a bull run, and if you believe in this project, that it's no brainer. And remember, it's a very short-term pain compared the gain you can get, because just not long time ago, Cardano was all the way at 0.2 cents for a very short time, and now we're talking at 34, 35 cents Cardano. And it's been a very short time, not even a year. The amount of return people seen, whoever entered at the right time, it's just ridiculous. 14x on the money. And even if you didn't enter there, and if you just knew and you enter here, that was a huge pump of 100%. And even if you brand new and you haven't entered yet, so I believe we still yet to see these nice prices going up. So that's just my 5 cents about the future of Cardano. I strongly believe it's going to be beautiful and strong, and there's only good news will be coming as Cardano, one of the most decentralized projects. Cardano have 70% stake. That's 70% stake. This is crazy. So imagine 70% of people that hold Cardano, they strongly believe in Cardano and they just put in their wallet and they're just sitting and enjoying the ride. And of course, there's always the traders that they use the 30% to trade, buy, sell, and maybe some just trying to get more coins. So they just buy it at the low and sell it at the high to scoop a little bit more at the low prices again, and also holding for the future. So when people gonna start hearing more about Cardano, when Coinbase gonna list Cardano, when all this good news of Gauguin will be coming out, imagine how many people gonna rush to buy this coin, how many people gonna start throwing money at it, and there's only 30% out there to be shared amongst everybody. What is it gonna do to the price? I believe it's just gonna make it fly to the moon, like they say, all the way to the moon. So yeah, I'm not gonna be surprised if we're gonna be seeing dollars soon. And again, if you thinking comparing to any other projects, take a look. Ethereum right now at its all-time high, and Cardano is still about 4x from its all-time high. So how much profit in percentage wise you still have the room for? Bitcoin is already double its all-time high. So how much percentage for your profits left in Bitcoin? I don't know where it's going. I cannot say it's gonna reach 300,000. Some say 80, some say 100, some say 150. But imagine where Cardano gonna be if Bitcoin gonna be at 150. So I believe there's still a lot of room for this coin to grow and make a lot of investors that believe in it, make this project gonna make them happy. Yes, so that's just what I'm thinking about Cardano. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you believe in Cardano? You think there's a huge future in front of us, or it's going down? Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna see you in the next video. Adios.